Hey soap lovers, welcome back. And I'm back today with another soap from Pre de Provence, and it is their soap on a rope soaps. They are shea butter enriched, and here is the sea salt. They come in 5 different scent options, and I would call them more feminine soaps scents. They do have 2 options, definitely for men. So here's the sea salt. $12.99 US, 7 ounces, 200 grams, available on their website. Here is a shot of the back of the box, the side, the front, the other side, and the bottom and the top. So once again, there's no ingredient list. And again, it's not listed on their website either, which is such a disappointment. So here's a look at the sea salt. So here is your soap on a rope, oval shape. And here is the sage that I used. And I used this for a full week. So that's it. There's a difference. This is the sea salt, unused. And this is the sage. So now I'm not a fan of this soap. I don't like the rope and I don't like the oval shape. It made lathering the washcloth difficult, and I would assume because the rope was in the way. It's not easy to hold for me personally, but it did lather very well on the washcloth and it did cleanse well. So this is perfect for somebody who likes to put the bar to the body, who doesn't use a washcloth. I think a soap on a rope would be great for them. The scent is a bit strong. I think these soaps are the strongest scented out of all of their line of soaps that Pre de Provence does have. They're usually soft scented or like a barely there aroma, but these are strong. So doesn't mean that this is not a good soap. For what I like, it's just not for me, but it could be for you. So this is their soap on a rope. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.